All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, we're going to be going over an update to my Fundrise account. Remember, if you guys can follow me on my channel, we started this account with $500 and have been consistently investing $100 per month. Currently, the account sits at $4,041.12 with $660 coming off of gains, guys. So just this year, $440 off of gains with dividends and appreciation. That is dividends reinvested as well. Right, so over time, like I said, 660.86. Right, so the point of this video is just to show you the consistency. So we deposited $100 this month as well, and there it is. So November 11th we deposited $100. October 13th we received a dividend of $37.92. Currently there are 143 active projects in my portfolio. I'm just going to scroll down quickly here through all the activity that's been occurring in the account. Right, as you guys can see here, consistency, that's what ultimately grows your account and gives you the best chances to reach financial freedom, guys. All right, this is just my real estate portfolio. I'll be providing some updates on my Robinhood, my M1 Finance, and my other accounts so you guys can see how they're growing. However, I did have an important question for you guys. Do you guys want me to up this to $200 per month or just keep it at $100 so you guys can see how a small account could grow into something large? Let me know in the comments below. Once I review all the comments, I'll go ahead and make the final decision. See if we keep it at 100 so you guys can see how a small account can keep on growing. But remember, with the new updates to Fundrise, you can now make contributions as low as $10 per month. So for a measly $10, guys, a month, you're able to buy institutional grade real estate that is usually set aside only for the wealthy. All right, if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share our information with as many investors as possible, help them and their families reach financial freedom as well. I appreciate the support you guys have been giving me on my channel. We keep on growing, guys. Hopefully that keeps on going. That way we can share our information with as many people as we can. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.